Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok. So go for your TikTok account and you can see here is a plus icon over here. So go for it and you can see there is the upload option, camera option and templates option here. After that template option you can see a live option here. If you don't see a live option like me, so because you don't have you don't have 1000 followers on your TikTok, so go back and go to your profile and now go for here three line option, settings and privacy. Scroll down and you can see an option as a report and problem. Click on it. Okay, then scroll down and you can see here a live option. Now go for how to start a live. Then click on no and go for need more help. Okay. Now you have to tell them your feedback. Then after that, when you are done with this, just click on submit. So that's it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.